Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by measuring and combining the base flavors. Pour 1 cup ketchup, 1/2 cup apple cider vinegar, and 1/3 cup molasses into a medium bowl. Whisk until smooth. Add 2 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard, and 1 tsp smoked paprika for depth and smoke. Stir in 1/4 cup packed brown sugar and 1 tsp kosher salt. These balance acidity and enhance caramelization during cooking. Keep a small bowl of water nearby to adjust thickness by tablespoons while you heat the sauce later. Transfer the combined ingredients to a medium saucepan and bring to a gentle simmer over medium-low heat. This prevents scorching and concentrates flavor. Simmer for 20 minutes, stirring every 2 to 3 minutes so sugars do not cling to the pan and burn. When the sauce starts to thicken, stir in 2 tablespoons unsalted butter to enrich texture and gloss. If the sauce becomes too thick, thin it with 1 tablespoon water at a time until you reach a pourable barbecue consistency for brushing or dipping. Finish by tasting and adjusting. Add 1 tsp hot sauce for heat or up to 1 tablespoon honey for extra sweetness, and correct salt with up to 1 tsp more kosher salt if needed. For a polished texture, pass the sauce through a fine mesh strainer into a clean bowl. This removes bits and yields a smooth finish for glazing. Cool to room temperature, then transfer to an airtight jar. Refrigerate for up to 2 weeks, or freeze in portions for up to 3 months, labeling with the date.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.